Hello friends, welcome back to Sky Sprouts Kids. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Word Siri part. Before learning Microsoft Word, we must first understand word processing software. Let's begin. Word processing software allows you to create documents with text and pictures. One of the word processing software is Microsoft Word. Word processing software made writing easy, fast, and neat. The features of word processing software are: highlight text, edit text, copy and move text, add pictures, check spellings and grammar, save the document for future use. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processing software programs. It is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. It is used to type letters, stories, poems, and creating various documents. The various components of Microsoft Word 2016 window are as follows: title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, work area, rulers, scroll bars, status bar. The title bar is located at the top of Word window. It displays a document name followed by the program name. It displays document 1 by default. The quick access toolbar is located at the leftmost corner of the Word window. It contains frequently used commands like save, undo, and redo by default. A ribbon contains tabs like File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, etc. Each tab has different groups of commands. Work area is the area where you type text and add pictures. The cursor shows where your text will appear. The rulers help you adjust your document. There are two types: the horizontal ruler and the vertical ruler. The scroll bars allows you to see parts of a document that are currently not visible. By default, both the vertical scroll bars and horizontal scroll bar are shown. Status bar located at the bottom of the Word window. It provides current page number, total pages, and word count on the left side. The view button and the zoom slider are located on the right side. Microsoft Word is used all over the world for writing documents, typing homework, making letters, creating resumes, designing flyers, editing text, printing work. Dear friends, now it's quiz time. Let's see how well you learned about Microsoft Word. Which is the word processing software? Your time starts now. Yes, the answer is Microsoft Word. Which part shows the name of the document? Your time starts now. Awesome! The answer is title bar. Where do we type text in Microsoft Word? Your time starts now. You are right. The answer is document area. Which part allows you to see a document that is not currently visible? Your time starts now. Good job! The answer is scroll bar. Which bar appears at the bottom of the Microsoft Word window? Your time starts now. Excellent! The answer is status bar. Who uses Microsoft Word? Your time starts now. Yes, everyone uses Microsoft Word. What is used to adjust the document in Microsoft Word? Your time starts now. Great work! The answer is rulers. Great job, friends! If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Sky Sprout Skits. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!